This is a modern poultry hatchery, where millions of baby chicks begin their journey.
The process starts with carefully selected fertilized eggs brought in from breeder farms. A candling machine inspects each egg for fertility and internal quality.
Before incubation, the eggs are fully sanitized to prevent contamination.
Next, the eggs are placed into advanced incubators with controlled temperature and humidity.
For 18 days, the embryos develop inside these carefully monitored environments.
On day 18, eggs move to the hatcher, reels, the final stage before chicks emerge. After 21 days, thousands of chicks hatch almost at the same time.
They dry under warm air before moving to the next stage.
Each chick is graded for strength, activity, and health.
Precision counters ensure each box contains the exact number of chicks.
They are quickly transported to poultry farms within hours. Once they arrive, chicks enter climate-controlled poultry houses.
The first 24 hours are critical, with perfect heat, bedding, feed, and water. Automated feed systems deliver balanced nutrition for healthy growth.
Filtered water flows through hygienic drinker systems. Ventilation and sensors maintain perfect temperature and air quality.
Farm staff monitor the flock daily to ensure comfort and health.
As chicks grow, feed is upgraded to support muscle and bone growth.
Clean bedding prevents disease and keeps the birds healthy. Modern processing plants follow strict hygiene and safety standards.
Finally, the meat is packaged, chilled, and shipped worldwide.